Hey everyone, Chris here from Moore's Jewelers. Here's our high fashion engagement ring 3D model we have for download. Showing now is what the ring will look like if set with all diamonds and cast in yellow gold. And showing shortly will be what the ring looks like as the 3D model. For the stones, any gemstone can be set within the mounting. The current model will take around one 6.5mm round cut center stone and 74 1 to 1.3mm round gemstone throughout the halo and band. The prongs throughout the ring can easily be moved and adjusted if you would like to change the styling or add or remove any number of stones. At the moment, the center setting prongs measure 1mm and there are 8, giving enough support to hold the stone in place. For the band, each seat setting has been drilled wider into the surface, meaning the stone will sit closer to the metal. Therefore, the prongs are thinner, measuring around 0.5mm. However, we have raised each prong a little higher to allow each stone to be set to the height the setter prefers. Because each prong can be adjusted individually, again they can be shortened or scaled up or down to fit the stone being set. Within the gallery, which is under the halo and bordered by the 2 interweaving cathedrals, you'll notice a scrollwork pattern. These scrolls have been added for visual interest for when viewing the ring close up. The pattern also helps the viewer's gaze easily follow the contour of the design when viewed from the profile side. For the interweaving twist, these patterns are opposite of each other, helping keep the viewer's gaze effortlessly flowing within the gemstones. A mirrored pattern would give the feeling of structure or confinement, which is the opposite of what we wanted the wearer to feel while wearing this ring. For the current model, the ring was designed around a US finger size of 7.5. Traditionally, this style of ring has been worn by women, but jewelry is unisex and this design can be worn by anyone. The 7.5 finger size puts the model to easily be sized to fit a wider range of hands. However, at the bottom of the ring is your standard shank with a slight arch and is very easily sized either in software or in resin after printing. For more information, images, and to download the model, use the links below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We are always more than happy to help in any way we can. Thanks for watching.